down. It's a holiday, America can't hold me now. Christmas a J, what a happy crowd. Where the dance them, the from country come a town. I'm coming home. It's a holiday, Britain can't hold me now. Christmas a J, what a happy crowd. Where the dance them, the from country come a town. The wine cake set a record. Red label wine, sorry, I go sell off. Paint up the place, whitewash the side.
Alright, hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is my cousin Sashona. We're gonna do a mini story time today about my experience almost getting robbed and getting physically assaulted in downtown Jamaica, downtown Kingston.
True.
Yeah, so you want to start off by telling them where we were heading?
Okay, so this is right after I do law, so we're doing some in-service at court, and the court is downtown. Downtown Jamaica is more of the the more lower parts of Jamaica.
It's not like most cities that the downtown is the built-up, centralized part of the city. It's kind of like
the place you don't want to really go.
Yeah.
But most of the courts are down there. So anyways, we're coming from court, walking through the market where there's a bunch of different people going around, everything. And then so my turn. I was walking, right? And I was walking a little bit behind Sash, and I felt something on my foot. Like I felt like a little like tickle, or like just kind of touch your hand lightly. That's what I felt on my foot. Touch your hand lightly, no? Touch your hand lightly, like this. This is what I felt. She felt that
on my ankle. So I look down and I see a hand trying to
That's some creepy ass shit. I saw a hand down there.
No, I saw a hand on my ankle trying to unhook. Let me show you.
Shut down like an anklet.
Yeah. Ooh. Yeah, you can't see it?
Kick me in my face.
This. He was trying to unhook it. He didn't even try to grab it off and run. He was trying to unhook it. So I start hitting him now, and I'm hitting him. I try kicking him, and he's just not letting go.
Nah, and guess what? So I'm there, walking in front of her, because, I know the place look better, so I'm walking in front of her, turn around, just for Shade spread up on the floor.
I'm not so far yet. Oh. Alright, yeah, so... Right, we're gonna try to insert it. But anyways, oh god, it's a blink. So it might die. Anyways, okay. So yeah, I feel the hand. I'm trying to hit him, trying to kick him, everything, and then this man pull me to the ground in the middle of the marketplace, the dirty, nasty town ground,
disgusting floor,
nasty,
madman
dirty
floor.
If I have a picture of what it would look like, me insert it because it's nasty. He dragged me to the ground, still on top of me, still trying to unhook the chain. Now this is when Sashana turned around.
I'm gonna find her up on the floor. So I said, wait, what happened? I scan over the situation real quick. I see the man trying to get something from her foot. So I was there I started hitting him with my back, and I hit him and I said, come on, come on.
She started hitting me with her laptop case, because that's what she brought. Yeah, so me, I kick him, hit him, Sashana, lick him with the bag.
People start turning around and I wonder what the hell is going on.
And it was just a very scary experience because, it's just weird.
Yeah. Let me tell you the stupid part. You see somebody with an anklet. An anklet is obviously hard to steal because it's literally on their foot. Grab it or pop it off. You try to unhook it? Unhook it? Just pop it off and run.
Right, and he had gloves on because people in Jamaica, sometimes when they're bleaching, they'll wear long sleeve and gloves.
Because they can't be in the sun too hard.
Yeah. And the man just... creepy, tall, brown skin.
Well,
if you ever buck up on this video, sir, try again. Try me next time.
And probably use a laptop with him teeth even watch the video pan.
Yeah, because that's the funny thing too. He didn't even. I had my bag with my laptop and my books, my wallet, and my phone
all
was
the goods
in my
and
bag.
Your anklet.
Yeah, him couldn't easily grab the bag off my back
or my laptop bag, which is obviously a laptop bag.
Dege anklet that she doesn't even know if it's real or not. It goodly could all be fake. And I'm gonna do all that. And then as we were other people tried to help, but they didn't really help as
they were just
fast.
what? Yeah.
The people that must sell out though, them come after them and walk away. Literally, it's just them, wait there. You know those bait up people like them that actually help, but them really know that they never did the shit.
Yeah.
Like, wait there.
So what if people come up to us after being like, oh, baby love, if me did it, but I helping out.
Literally, when they were actually there in the corner watching, waiting for people to leave for run up.
Right. Nobody was gonna help me. Nobody. And it was just, I don't know, it was a very like triggering experience. I have a picture. Hopefully I can find it on my Snapchat. Because we went to Starbucks shortly after. The middle class. Yeah, my nail, the whole side of my nail was scratched up, so I'll try to insert that somewhere here or something.
You have to find that picture of downtown, but them understand that
yeah,
floor,
downtown is not like
ground.
It's not like New York City downtown or Chicago downtown or downtown some other nice Tokyo or something. No, it was rough. It was very rough. Yeah. But anyways, that is basically it. I hope we didn't go by too fast. But trust me, I was actually scared. But me and Sasha are not stand up and take no lick from nobody.
I'm sad. I'm lick him with a bag.
Yeah, man, try again. Yeah.
And you still never get the anklets.
Right, wrong cousin him fuck with. Or beep with.
Yeah, I was wondering who can curse on this.
Wrong person to mess with. But I do have another video coming up because I don't know why I'm always the target of robberies. I'm always the one that they say, oh, yes. Always. And I don't know why, but the other one that I have coming up,
because she's a goodie. She look like she have money.
No, it's not that. I'm always a smile. Kyle said, oh, you guys haven't met Kyle yet, but Kyle said, oh no, you met Kyle in my vlog. I'm gonna leave the link to that vlog up above. I feel like it'll be up here. He said maybe because I always smile too much, I need to stop smiling. I need to keep a straight face when I'm walking downtown. But I do have some tips for you when you are walking downtown. Make sure that you're not walking with your jewelry all out, like necklace like this. I would
especially if it's gold.
Yeah, I would tuck in earrings, hoop earrings, real gold, like real gold jewelry.
Yeah, put your bag in front of you if you have a bag. Make sure all the zips are closed.
And hold it like
and
that.
Hold it like this when you're walking.
Up underneath your arm. What other tips?
Don't talk on your cell phone in certain places. Just anything, just leave it for later. Wait.
If somebody will call you, just wait until you reach into another
taxi or something. Something a little more safe.
Yeah. What else? Hey, don't try to put me in.
Actually, the other day, that same friend Kyle had an ex-friend that got robbed downtown with a gun.
You know, it wasn't his friend. He was leaving downtown. Remember?
It was him personally.
No, not him. So Kyle was leaving downtown, or he was walking around. No, he was actually leaving downtown, and he witnessed a robbery.
I thought it was somebody
point.
like
I feel like it was somebody he would have helped, and they would have hear more about the story.
Maybe, probably.
You think Kyle would have helped with him, silly?
But I know
Kyle's big. Kyle is a big man.
Kyle would have helped.
But
what could he do? Anyways,
yeah. But be very careful, especially in the Christmas season, because people want teeth and give gift, as if you don't want get gift too. Yeah, just imagine. But anyway, stay tuned for the next robbery video. That one is longer, and that one is a little bit more saucy than this one, even though I did get physically assaulted. Yeah, act like we can't see. Yeah, act like you're not right next to me.
Yeah.
Anyways, alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Leave a comment, like, and subscribe. I will leave Sash's link in the bio. She does poetry. She's a goodie who models. Yeah.
3 a.m. That's my poetry page. Is at, and this is Instagram, at the number 3 REE.AN.
I'll take it up on the screen or in the description box. And she is a lawyer to be. Yes. And a model. Yes. I will pop up a picture here, a picture there. Alright. I don't want But anyways, like I said, all our information will be down in the description box. Leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching.
Thanks for watching my cousin video.
Make sure you subscribe. Bye.
Bye.